Hi, this is Austin from Gamma Plus StyleCraft, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of our most anticipated drops ever, if you know about it, which I think this is a sleeper. I think more people need to learn about the Ace. So the Ace dropped pretty recently in the last few months at the end of 2023, and this is just such a cool blow dryer. So it's a foldable, lightweight, super sleek, high-powered blow dryer. Now you're probably thinking, this looks like one of those $300 brushless dryers that are awesome, and we do have several, but it is not. Although it looks like one of those brushless, super high-end, expensive dryers, it is actually just a really, really clean, sleek, rotary DC motor dryer. So you're gonna get that really sleek design, feel, and look of a brushless dryer at a really amazing price of a rotary motor dryer. So this dryer is well under $100. It is completely foldable, has a ton of power and airflow. It has 3 different settings: cool, low, and then even high power. A full professional 9-foot cord is included, as well as a diffuser and nozzle as well. So this, of all of our launches, especially in the beauty category, this is one that people have been incredibly excited about, just based on the performance, the look, the feel, the style, and then just the incredible price point. So really powerful motor, foldable and compact, great for storage and travel, super lightweight design, so really going to be nice on your arms and your shoulders, and anyone that has lingering injuries or carpal tunnel, just a really great dryer for you. A professional 9-foot cord, and of course a limited 1-year warranty. So truly an incredible special product. Really excited for everyone to get their hands on it. World, meet the Ace foldable dryer. Ace, meet the world.